We are sailing around the Cabo de Finisterre. Yeah, it's literally the end of the world. That's what it's named after. So yeah, we are sailing to the end of the world today. It's really beautiful and really amazing to sail to the end of the world, and it's a really beautiful day. And yeah, on the other side of the end of the world there are apparently some white sand beaches to explore. Yeah, so see you there. Good morning, so we are leaving the Cabo de Finisterre, so the end of the world. It was very beautiful. And yeah, we are sailing to Muros today. Muros is one of the Spanish rias here in Galicia, and it's supposed to be the most remote one. So we are really excited and we hope that it's like a little paradise. We are now at the Ria de Arosa, and today we want to sail to this little island that is in the middle of the Ria. So it's part of the national park of the Islas Atlánticas here in Galicia, and it's supposed to have a white beach all the way around the island, and it looks really cool from what we can see on Google Maps. So yes, that's what we will explore today. Sadly, the wind picked up, and after only 15 minutes of exploring, we had to rush back to the boat to check the anchor. After we hoisted up the anchor, the river filled up with fog, and we had to call it a day to find a more protected anchorage. That's the downside of the sailing life. The weather dictates everything. Good morning. I've just woken up and I'm on my way to the beach. I want to explore it when nobody's there, so I have gotten up at 7:30 at sunrise and on my way to the beach now. So yesterday Max and I we saw this old boat that they restore here, and like you know by now, we are really drawn to old things that need repairing, and it looks really beautiful, but it needs a lot of work. But yeah, beautiful boat. I'm sure not very easy to handle, but yes, it's really beautiful, and I wanted to film it and to check it out. And this is her. She is almost entirely made of wood, I think, because now that I've gotten very close, it looks like the rudder is made out of wood. And yeah, she looks a bit piratey, but she also looks very seaworthy and yeah, beautiful. I am now at the beach. We are at a town or at a city called San Cencio. It's kind of a holiday destination. It's very touristy, but there are only Spanish people here at the moment. So we read about that people from Vigo, which isn't far away, are apparently traveling here during summertime, so they literally take their vacations 30 minutes away from home. But yeah, apparently you don't have to be far from home to be far away here in Spain. So yeah, we read about that. The sun is now rising behind me. Woo! Having a bit of a halo there. And yes, I'm going to show you the beach. Yesterday we discovered a smell in one of the drawers of our nav station. A really bad smell. It smells like unwashed feet. And today we found out that it's actually a jar of wood filler that has a hole in it now, and there's wood filler coming out and it smells really bad. And now I'm making a curry to get rid of the smell. Thanks for watching. Join us next time when we hike from lighthouse to lighthouse and explore the impressive landscape of the CS Islands. See you!